Welcome to Terraria episode 31.
31? Amazing. Didn't think we'd have so many so quickly.
We've been recording a lot.
That makes sense.
And I have a plan. So remember many episodes ago where I thought there was a goblin army coming?
I remember that, yeah.
Well, I'm heading off to the left right now.
But I've only got 180
I'm lagging.
health.
I have 200.
But I'm gonna die.
But you always die.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot about that. Okay, never mind. I'm good.
No matter how much health I give you, you die.
Well, at least I'm consistent.
Yes.
You know when you play with me what you're gonna get.
Yes.
A dead dad.
Hopefully not in real life.
Hopefully not in real life.
I think my mouse is about to die. Like, truly die.
That is very, very sad. Something doesn't sound right. It sounds like
That's my staff.
It sounds like the dungeon's farting.
It's not I'm not in a dungeon. I'm in the corruption.
No, I'm just saying. It doesn't sound right.
It sounds like my emerald staff. That's what it sounds like. I got a snowball cannon.
Dun, 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 dun. Old shoe. Trying to get a mudfish, by the way.
Nice. I got a wormhole potion.
That's good to have. Got another bass. So what are you doing now?
Blowing things up.
Oh, good.
Screams echo around you.
Uh-oh, what's that mean?
Have a guess. Ooh, I got.
Oh, I got an iron
Huh.
crate.
That's interesting. I got a vile thorn. You want it?
What do you do with that?
Shoot thing. It's Where are you?
I'm down fishing. I told you. I'm trying to get the mudfish.
That's what it does.
I see.
Here you go. By the way, we have a few days to prepare
Oh, good.
for the goblin army.
Got it. Did I mention I got an iron crate?
Give it to me now. Thank you. You were trying to empty your pockets on me, weren't you?
I don't know what you're talking about. What was in the iron crate, by the way? Anything good?
Masturbate and lead. And some pocket change, I think.
Oh. I'm now out of bait. Rats.
I could give you some bait
You could.
if I felt generous. Here you go.
Wow, that was useless. You just gave me a firefly.
I gave you some bait.
That's true.
I never said specifically what bait and how much. You gotta admit, that was funny.
That was fun.
I just realized.
What did you realize?
Camera's in there. There we go. There we go. Oops. There we go. Now it's better.
Get all worked out now?
Yeah. It's too bad we can't have a webcam for streams.
That would be nice.
Well, at least that I know of. Or how to do it.
What does poor dummies ever do to you?
Did you
Orange
know?
bloodroot.
Sell it.
Shant. Ooh, I've got a gold piece.
A what?
I said I have a gold coin.
Let me see it,
No,
please.
no.
Please. Okay.
Always able to fake me out like that?
I don't know.
Vile fool.
What about with that?
I don't know what's worse. The fact that I'm stuck resorting to trying to hunt for fireflies for bait, or that you're killing them before I can get them.
I don't know.
That's not very partnerly of you.
It's good for target practice. Oh, wait a minute, it's night. I realized. I was going to fight the Ayakatulu.
Again?
Again. He has loot that we like.
Oh. Right.
I'm going to use a tactic that I used in my first time fighting the Ayakatulu. And that's, pelt him with snowballs.
Do you not like snowballs?
It's just a really easy method.
Come here, come and get me.
No, let him get me. So I may pick up all the loot.
Yay, you'll be picking up all the loot. I was slain.
That looked pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Bet I died.
Finishing him off with a musket. Like not everyone else has attempted to do that in the past. No, definitely not.
Are you sure about that?
I was kidding. Probably a lot of people have tried it.
So did you get anything good?
Yeah,
What'd you get?
loot.
Wow, that was less than useful.
What? What? What was less than useful?
The wow, Vile Thorn is kind of slow. And it doesn't go very far.
Oh, I know I'm missing now.
What are you missing now?
Ooh. Nothing.
I'm gonna go check up on my money. Where'd my money go?
What money?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, let me see.
Hey, where'd my money go? It was just there.
Actually, I'm feeling generous.
Yeah? You make me a better fishing rod?
No, I'll make you a better fishing rod. There you
Yay, thank you.
go. Pulsing with dark energy.
Yay.
Huh.
Okay, let's see if I can now. Get this fish before the day's over. Old shoe. Got an old shoe. Come on, mudfish.
I found a penguin.
Got a bag.
Hello, Mr. Penguin.
Those guys are worth like 15 silver, I think.
Penguin, I'm gonna save you from being sold.
By killing it?
Yeah.
I think I'd rather end up in the zoo than being killed.
I found random arrows in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, that'd be me. Sorry.
Stop littering.
I didn't mean to. There's some very strange noises going on.
What strange noises? Where's this meteorite? I saw a meteorite fall. Where did it land?
I don't know. I was underground at the time.
Right there.
I got a lot of seaweed though. Do you want any seaweed sandwiches?
Nah.
Seaweed soup?
Nah.
Seaweed shoes?
How about ice cream?
That's always good.
Sadly, the meteorite fell like halfway across the map.
That is sad. Okay, now that you're using that speaker, I can hear the corruption music really well. It's kind of cool.
Let me turn it up.
It's really loud back here. Yeah, that's all they're gonna hear is that.
I love this music so much.
I know.
And Boss 2 music. That's also really good.
Oh, I got a dirt fish.
Nice. Hand it to me.
No!
Yes.
My dirt fish. My dirt fish. My dirt fish.